Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to connect AirPods to your Nokia 344. Welcome. In front of me I have a Nokia 344 and AirPods, and I'll show you how to connect these devices. First, open the notification bar, activate Bluetooth, and click and hold the Bluetooth icon to enter the Bluetooth settings. Next, open the charging case of the AirPods and click and hold the button on the back of the case. When the indicator starts blinking, click on Pair New Device and release the button. Tap on the AirPods to connect. If they don't connect, don't worry, we'll fix it. Close the case, go back, turn off Bluetooth and turn it back on. Open the case, click Pair New Device, and click and hold the back button to put them into pairing mode. Release, and they should appear on the list. Try to connect. If issues persist, restart your device and try again. Open the charging case, click and hold the button, and when the white dot is blinking, go to Bluetooth settings. Tap Pair New Device, select the AirPods, and tap Pair. As you can see, we are now connected. Even if something happens, don't give up, just restart or toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. That's how you connect AirPods to your Nokia 344 or any other Android smartphone. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs up, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.